Today I'm going to show y'all a little addition I made for my table saw. Well, today I'm going to show y'all, I made some Infeed rails that give me support on this side of the saw. It really works good for breaking sheet goods down. But the thing about it is, I got me a track saw. I ain't had it about a year. That's what I break the sheet goods down. But there's times that you need a good tight fit right there. But there's times so you can walk right in between these. And I went ahead and made me some. When you're working anything on this side of the blade, I mean, you've got a little room there, but a lot of times it runs out. And this right here really stabilizes what you're doing. Not so much with a sled, because the bed of the sled adds a lot of support, but there's support there too. A lot of times I'll use 2 miter gauges, and if you got a good fat fence right there, you'll run out pretty quick. So in this way, yeah, I mean, you got, it doubles the capacity, but being able to come back here. But these little old fellas right here are handy. Now, a lot of people put a little outfit right here where you lay your sheet of plywood on, tilt it up, which would be handy, but you can lay a sheet of plywood here. You got your outfeed table. This gives you infeed support where you got still has access to the table saw. But these have been pretty handy for different stuff. And I made it with scraps, leftovers, and stuff like that. But I just want to show these to you. You make these where they fit good and snug, even with the top right here. And I don't know, had me some hinges, and I put some hinges right there. So I got this idea from Jay Bates. I seen one of his videos, and he's right. This is awful handy. And what I did, I fixed it where something else is right on. If it ain't handy to you, odds are you'll find another way of doing it. So what I did, I found me a place right here. So if I need that support, I mean, seconds, I've got it set up and ready to go. It just add a little bit more safety and a little more comfortable with your table saw. If you make a cut and you ain't comfortable with it, you back off and rethink it. But that does give you a little support on the infeed of your table saw. Everyone talks about outfeed. Infeed, you need some support there too. But I did stuff like this. I had a little old cheap set. I mean, just got me by. But I took my time, made a little better set with those. Made it where they fit real good. And you take your time with it. You'll be proud you got them. Like I say, I got a track saw now, but I didn't always have it. I think I've had it about a year now and enjoying it. And what I'll do, see how the flat horizontal surface gets cluttered up with different stuff? like to keep to where, so I would like to break the sheet goods down here with my track saw, but I have another option now. The horizontal service seems to fill up with different stuff. So I would encourage you, if you break down sheet goods and you don't have a track saw, I'd encourage you to make some Infeed rails. That is quick to set up, quick to tear down. Don't take that much space on the wall, but if you got it close and you have it set up in a few seconds, I mean, it don't take long at all. But I just thought I'd touch base with you on that. I made them. It's real simple to make. I mean, I didn't film making them because you can look at them and see what you need to do. But if you take your time, get you a good snug fit where they ain't wobbling around on you, you'd be proud you did. So there's something going around. The flu, COVID, but I got sinus problem. But hopefully I'm on a downhill run of it. But I just thought I'd show y'all my Infeed rails. It's a pretty good addition to your table saw. You can take a small table saw and do a big job with it, if you know what I mean. So I guess that's going to do it. Y'all be safe, and I'll catch you on the next one.